If you're looking to generate leads for Facebook, then pay attention to this video. If you're in network marketing and you're trying to grow your business using social media, there's a few things you need to consider when picking a platform. Now, Facebook is one that's very popular, and I'll tell you for many reasons why you should consider Facebook, even though you may think it's for your grandmother, which is not. Facebook has over 2.5 billion people that use the platform. So you have an endless flow of people that are in this space that you can tap into. You know how that saying goes, the world is your oyster? Well, Facebook is your oyster right now. So if you're in network marketing and you wanna talk to people, you're looking for new people to talk to, you burned your warm market, you've done the list, you don't wanna talk to people, you're introverted, whatever the case is, listen to this strategy. What you're gonna do is, as a network marketer, you're gonna position yourself as an authority. You have to give people a reason to want to follow you. Now, when I say this, I don't mean go change your profile and change all your Facebook and put everything about your company, because that's not what it's all about. People do business with people who they know, like, and trust. So, first of all, you have to position yourself as an authority. Can people trust you? Do people like you? Are you likable? Like, how do you present yourself? How do you show up? You have to be your true, authentic self. The thing with social media marketing, people get confused, especially network marketers. They get confused because they think they gotta pretend to be this other person that they have to pursue to be, when all you really have to do is just be yourself. People will see your true, authentic self, and they will resonate with that. So just chill, relax. Don't copy your upline, because if they're already successful, it's different for them when you're already at a position of leadership status and you already have a certain persona about you. It's easy for them, right? When we see them, we're like, oh my gosh, I want to be like them. But no, it takes time. It's a skill that you could develop starting today. So, first thing you do on Facebook, I actually made a video prior to this one that's very similar, and if you didn't see that, you can go check that here on top and get some ideas about the whole concept and analogy of how you should position yourself. But this video is a bit different. I'm gonna keep the concepts and strategies similar, but I'm gonna give you some more in-depth resources and things that you can implement today. So, first thing you wanna do, yes, your profile is very important. Have a nice picture of yourself that you can see yourself. Don't put a picture with you and somebody else, or you and your pet. Nobody knows who you are, right? They want to know who you are. They don't want to see you and your pet or you and another person. Show yourself, show your face. The headshot doesn't really matter. It can be any kind of picture of yourself, as long as it looks warming and inviting, right? Secondly, your profile banner, the header of the profile. Now that is a great source for lead generation, because there you can position yourself, a nice picture with maybe a tagline, something written about you, maybe like, what else? Yeah, something about you, written, your brand name, your logo, stuff like that. But also, when people click on that picture, on the side you have the text, the captions. You can write some information there, and you can have a CTA, call to action. So that's important to remember. Then, when it comes to your posting, now I'm gonna give you some strategies that I've learned myself that I do today, and I've gotten coached on this. So I'm gonna give you some real life things that you can do. So listen to this. When it comes to marketing on Facebook, there's a few things you need to consider. You're gonna do what we call a split. So you're gonna do multiple posts in a day. Now you tell me, first of all, Larry, if I don't have a lot of time, I only have 2 hours a day, whatever the case is, however much time you have, what you need to do is figure out first how much time you can invest into your business. Whatever time you have, that's what you're gonna make the most of creating your content in that time period. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna create content, and you're gonna have these 5 pillars. And in these 5 pillars, you're gonna have things that represent you, who you are, and you're gonna talk about these different 5 things. It doesn't have to be in any kind of order, but it has to be overall within those pillars. So example, let's say you like family, so content you're going to create is family related. Let's say you like food, your second pillar is going to be talking about food, so you're going to have a mixture of family content, food content. Let's say 3 is traveling, now your content's going to be food, family, and traveling. Let's say your 4th pillar is you like to party, so then your 4th pillar content's going to be party, food, traveling, family. And then your 5th pillar, let's say it's business and marketing. So then that's how you're going to strategize your whole content creation based on those 5 pillars. And you're going to keep it simple, because once you know what you like, what excites you, what turns you on, what makes you happy, it's very easier to create content around something that you are familiar with and that you love to do, right? So once you got that part down packed and you understand your 5 pillars, then you're gonna create content around those stuff. So what you're gonna do is, when you start to create the content, you're gonna start to see more people are engaging with your content, because other people like the same thing you like. So when people start to engage with your content, now you have people you can talk to. Ladies and gentlemen, you just started to generate a lead. When someone interacts with your post on traveling and say, hey, I went to Greece. Oh yeah, I went to Greece also 2 years ago. How was your experience? Guess what? Now you can take those conversations further on the same page, or you can even go a step up a notch and get cracking and get talking in the DMs. That's right. Take that conversation in the DMs, and now you get potential leads that you can talk to. But here's another thing. You don't want to ruin the conversation part and go straight for the kill of talking about your business. So you have to understand a little bit of marketing, you have to understand a little bit of sales communication, and you have to understand how it is to build rapport. If you don't build rapport with your contacts, you're not going to be able to sponsor anybody. And it's not as hard as it sounds. It just takes a little bit of practice. So I can give you some resources on tools, different places where you can get the proper training to know how to position yourself to be ready to have conversations and know what to talk about and how to take a conversation from just a regular conversation into business. I can give you a resource. It will be in the description below. Other than that, that's what I got for you guys today. If you like more tips like this, I'll be shooting more videos on Facebook marketing and lead generation. So thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like the video, and if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing if you like this kind of content, and share this video with other teammates of yours that may find valuable information in this. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Larry Dennis, thank you for stopping by Larry Dennis TV. Take care.